Welcome 3D student. In this video I'm going to show you how to create water using Unreal's In this video I'm going to show you how to create water using Unreal's built-in water. In this video I'm going to show you how to create water using Unreal's built-in water actor. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to need to do is activate the water. And we need to go to Edit, Plugins, and then we need to search for water. And we need to check this box and restart. I notice I've already done it. And then what you're going to need to do is come up to Window, Place Actors. And that's going to open this window here. Now, I had this open when I started the video, but I closed it so you could see how it looks. And then in here, type in water. And you'll see here that you have some new actors. Each of these is a type of water actor, and each has their own parameters and settings. But what we're going to work with right now is the lake and the river. So all you got to do is click and drag and drop the lake into your scene. And it will appear, and you can see it right there. Now I'm going to hit F on my keyboard to focus on the water so we can see it. Now you need to be moving this in the X and Y axis. And I want to show you something. Watch what happens when I move it up. You see how the landscape rises to meet it? That is because in the water's details, in its settings, down here is a box that says Affect Landscape. If you uncheck that box, then it won't do that anymore. See? And what that means now is that you need to make a hole underneath your water. So I'm going to go to landscape mode, and I'm going to hold down Shift and start to push down where my water is. Now, if the water object doesn't fill your hole exactly like this, then what you're going to need to do is adjust the shape of the water object. To do that, go back to selection mode and click these little points on the water circle. And you may have to click them a couple of times to get them. But then you can change the shape of the water. And you've also got these little handles here too as well that allow you to change that like that. Now, if you need to add a point on this, then what you need to do, see I need a point right here, is you need to right click on the line and select Add Spline Point here. And then you'll get another point. And then you can use that to help shape your water actor better. Like so. To adjust the water's waves and stuff, what you need to do is come over here and make sure you have the water body instance selected. Scroll down, and down here in the wave category you'll find wave source, and the water wave source is here. If you double click it, then it brings up this, and in here are the settings that you use to adjust how the waves work. I'm going to jack up the minimum wave amplitude, and you can immediately see what happens there. Now, when you change any setting in Unreal, you'll see this little back button, and you can always click that and put it back to its default. So what I'd suggest you do is play with this until you get the look you want, and once you get the look you want, click Save. and then you'll have the water like you want it. Now, the river is the same kind of thing, only it's not an enclosed shape. It is just a line. So when you drag the river out, you get something that looks like this. And it's the same idea. You select the points and you move the river around to make it follow the course that you want it to follow. And you can add points as well. Now, if you leave Affect Landscape on here, then it will go ahead and give itself, you know, a trough in which, a riverbed in which to go through. So that's how you create rivers and lakes. And I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.